Hey everybody, and how's it going on? In this video we will be talking about how to export HD images from Figma. So without further ado, let's just dive right into the process. Alright, so the first thing that we are going to be doing now what could be the possible reason that you are having low resolution images? They could be caused by a compression in settings in Figma during the export process. To ensure that all images are exported at maximum resolution, you can try following steps. So, the first thing that you need to do is select all the frames and go to the export panel. And in the export panel, choose JPEG, JPG, file format, and set the export resolution to original. Check the export all checkbox to export all selected frames. Choose a destination folder and export your images. This should export all images. Now, once your all images are exported, they should be in an HD resolution. So basically, there should be no more that issue of pixelation and low quality issue. But yeah, but if you are still having some issues, you can contact the support for Figma related to this issue, because usually the images that are exported are HD and there could be some technical issue or stuff like that. And if you're facing something different, that could be helped as well. So yeah guys, that was pretty much it for this video, and I hope you found this one interesting and helpful. If you did so, make sure to comment down below, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around the next couple of videos.